Did you know Japan's most feared criminals mark their failures by cutting off their own fingers? For over 400 years, the Yakuza has practiced yubitsume, a brutal ritual of self-punishment. When a member dishonors their clan, they must slice off the tip of their pinky finger with a sharp blade. The severed joint gets wrapped in white cloth and presented to their boss as an apology. Repeat offenses mean losing more joints, moving up the finger, and eventually to other digits. This isn't just about pain, it's strategic punishment. Missing finger joints weaken a person's sword grip, making them completely dependent on their clan for protection. Today's Yakuza members often wear prosthetic fingers to blend into legitimate business deals. But Japanese police can instantly spot the missing joints during arrests. With 25,000 active Yakuza members across Japan, this ancient practice continues. A single glance at someone's hands reveals their criminal past. 4 centuries later, finger amputation remains organized crime's most visible signature.